Today I want to do a short video on how to tell the difference between Cerrasee and Cucamelon. I trust in the system that nature has provided that has been effective for us since the beginning of the planet. I can't tell you how many times I show people Cucamelon and they say, "Oh, I have that all over my yard." And I pull it out because it's invasive and it smells funny. And as soon as they say, "and it smells funny," I know that they're talking about Cerrasee. Cerrasee is a deep medicinal, and if you have any friends from the islands, they can tell you more about that. It also has pods that these are when they're orange. When they're green, they are edible and you can just fry them up. And then also on the inside, these little red seeds. You can eat the skin around the red seeds, but do not eat the seeds themselves. Green Dean has a great video on Cerrasee, also known as Balsom Pear, also known as Bitter Melon. But what we really want to talk about here is Cucamelon. I have this all over my yard. It shows up everywhere. It grows symbiotically with a lot of different plants. Now it's the wrong time of day for the Cerrasee to be flowering, but it's a bigger flower and it's more of a yellow with a hint of orange, whereas this one is a bright yellow. All right, side to side, you can kind of see there's a big size difference. The leaves are very, very different. Cucamelon, it's free food. These little things, they're shaped like a watermelon. They taste like a cucumber, and they grow for free all year long in your yard. So enjoy your Cucamelon, drink your Cerrasee tea. If you want to see more of these videos, click below to subscribe to David's channel, Stack's Urban Harvest. And I'll see you next time.